Welcome back. Parrikar should stop defending casinos and should step down as he cannot run the state. This advice has come from spokesperson of Congress, Alex Reginald Lorenzo. Reginald was speaking on the Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar's stand on casinos. Congress would file breach of privilege against the CM. The Congress spokesperson is also annoyed with the CM's statement that Goa is dependent on casinos. He addressed media on Monday.
Parrikar has cheated Goenkars on casinos. It is a disgrace and dishonor for Goa and for Goans that Manohar Parrikar, आमचा Chief Minister हा, हो आता casino defend करून लागला. He had made a statement in the House. Even the sanctity of the House he doesn't know to respect. He made a statement that money is bad money and that it is fit, that I will not take it as use it in the kitty of the state, that I will have a separate account for the purpose of old age homes, for elders, for people who are suffering on ailments like Alzheimer's. I think he forgot all that. It is a shame that he has been justifying the continuation of casinos. I think it clearly is a breach of privilege, and we will file a criminal breach of privilege on him. My demand is that Parrikar should no longer cheat the people and say that we are depending on casino. He should retract his statement and tell the people of Goa, I am sorry. Either he should tell his people, either he should tell the people that I can't run the state. Forgive me, I am going away. Or he has to correct his statement and say that Goans are. Sorry?
You mean to say that he has to resign?
I am not saying he has to resign. He has to quit. It is shame.
Congress is ready to run the state.
Sorry?
Who will run the state?
No, there are 40 elected representatives. Whoever is balanced, they will decide. The new one which is come, Horseshoe, and the floating hotels. Even the floating hotel which is they are supposed to start. I have already moved the center. I have already returned to the shipping minister.
Residents of Savarkota Kunkuni has blamed the GSIDC for their floods in the area. The president of Kunkuni Youth Congress, Paresh Desai, has demanded that the chairman of GSIDC, Manohar Parrikar, should resign from his post. Desai claims that the residents are annoyed as Parrikar failed to visit the flood-affected area. They will file complaint against GSIDC at Kunkuni police station on Tuesday.
Disaster is the man-made disaster. Was जाणं जाऊन म्हणजे आम्ही लोकांना सांगला असताना तो पूल बांधला. Actually आम्ही लेटर सुद्धा केलेले आहे का तरी पण त्यांचे काम स्टॉप करून एका जबाबदार GSIDC मेन जबाबदार आहे का GSIDCच्या हलगर्जीपणान म्हणजे हे जालां आणि एका चेअरमॅन रिस्पॉन्सिबल आणि त्याचा चेअरमॅन चीफ मिनिस्टर मनोहर पर्रीकर तेणे पयलीं रिजायन जावपाक जाय. आतां हे इतलो जो इफेक्ट लोकांक जाला तेजें अजून म्हळ्यार तेणें इवन पळयलें ना थिंगा. तो GSIDCचो एकटोय मनीस येयलो ना, ऑफिशियल कोणूच पावलो ना अजून गांवांत. आनी आतां जे पळय हें तेमी जो एस्टिमेट केला तो गव्हर्मेंटा प्रमाणे कितलो आसतलो, एक 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. पूण लोकांचें जें टोटल पळय एस्टिमेट केलें जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता थिंगा 50 लाख 60 लाख जातलो. आनी आतां आमी थरयलां की GSIDCच्या अगेन्स्ट आमी केस फायल करतले कुंकोली पोलीस स्टेशनाचेर. कोण करतले? आमी करतले गांवचे लोक.
Locals have threatened of Rasta Roko if their losses are not borne by the government.
Early
on Monday, Rajya Sabha MP Shantaram Naik visited the flood-affected area. Naik claimed that it is a man-made disaster.
GSIDC, tanto कोणीच प्रतिनिधी येऊ नये आणि GSIDCचो चेअरमॅनय येऊ नये. लोकांमदीं येवन हें अशें जालें दुर्दैवी घटना पूण आमी कशें तरी तातूंतल्यान मार्ग काडया अशें सांगून लोकांक दिलासो दिवपाची गरज आसता. तें जालें ना. 1 लाख रुपया म्हज्या फंडांतल्यान दक्षिण गोंयच्या आनी खास करून म्हजो गांव ह्या गांवाक हांव कलेक्टर सांगतलो हे पयशे जे कितें कुंकळीक जाला तातूंत वापरचे म्हणून.
He has announced 1 lakh rupees to the village. Reporter Samir Bhatt for Prudent.
Trees were trimmed, footpaths were cleaned, garbage was picked. Corporation of City of Panji has initiated Cleanliness drive in the capital city on Monday. The drive will continue for 3 days. CCP is also waiting report from the government on CCP's market shop allotment scam. Mayor says illegal shops will be auctioned.
The cleanliness drive by the CCP began in the state on Monday. CCP workers were seen cleaning the city. The drive will continue for 3 days.
It will continue till Wednesday. Full swing cleanliness in the market. There are a lot of trees which are grown, shrubs are grown. So I put 50 workers, 4 trucks, and our corporators stood there and we got the things cleaned there. This will continue till Wednesday. The fish market will be cleaned in the afternoons from 2 to 4. We'll flush it with water tankers, and this cleanliness drive will start every month for 2 days. Entire workforce will be deployed in the market every month for 3 days.
He has appealed the market vendors to cooperate or has threatened of strict action.
I appeal to the market vendors, market tenants association, that they should keep their place tidy, because we sweep 3 to 4 times a day. But whenever somebody goes, it looks like we have done no work, because the market people cut the vegetables and they throw there also. I have appealed to them many times, but if they do not agree to our rules and conditions, then strict action will be taken on them.
CCP is awaiting government's report on the market shop allotment scam. Mayor said illegal shops will be auctioned.
The collector, South Goa, has submitted to the government of Goa. The moment I get that, then on war footing, we will seal shops which have been illegally occupied, and then we will auction them.
A reporter Chetan Gauss for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.